This video will show you how to upload your open house video to YouTube and copy the link to paste it into the document Lynn sent you. Go to youtube.com, and when you're logged in your Twinsburg account, this will be your channel. Click on the camera at the top of the page and choose Upload Video. You're going to select your file, choose Desktop, choose your video, wait for a moment, choose Next, Next again, and Next one more time. Be sure when you save your video, you make it public. Publish it, and you'll wait for a moment. Close this box, and you will be on your channel. Choose Open House Video. When you choose it, it will start to play. It may not be ready yet, but that's okay. Copy the address at the top and paste it into the document that Lynn has sent you.